What is poppin'? Y'all, I'm so sorry. I have ton of stuff to tell you guys here. Like, friends, I got so much stuff to tell y'all. And I'll be right back with all this information that I got for y'all, okay? So y'all stay tuned. I'll be back. Man, let's talk. Let's talk. Let's talk. Okay, first, I am sorry for being away so long, and I am going to try my best to drop more videos. Okay, while I was gone, let's get into it, y'all. So, I was gone because I was in truck driving school. Working for, went to truck driving school. I stayed there for like 2 months, okay? So, that's one of the reasons why I was gone. Left truck driving school, and now I am where I'm at, the biggest state in the United States. I'm here, and I'm gonna be here for a minute, and finishing up some training so I could get on the road. Okay, so that's what I was doing. But for all my herbal detoxing, vaginal detoxing people, I'm here for it. I'm here for it, and I got a plan. I got a master plan, and I want y'all to understand that I'm here for it. So, hopefully soon, and very soon, I'll be setting up something, probably next week, you guys. Just be on the lookout for it. Next week, I'm going to be setting up something. Y'all know me, right? So I don't know. Y'all tell me, all my vaginal detox people. I got some names that I decided to pick out for my my detox, my vaginal detox pearls that I'm actually going to start contributing and selling to you guys. I don't know if I want Sweet Kitty Detox or if I want my new Poom Poom. I don't know. Poom Poom. Some. Help me out. So, leave comments down there. Down there. And tell me what y'all think. Because, you know, I be trying to figure out some stuff. Now, what else I want to tell y'all? I forgot. Damn. Man, and I'm looking at Twister, y'all, because, you know, Twister is the shit. I don't know. I like that movie. That movie just gives me life. I don't know. Anyway, I gotta go get myself together. My little niece is about to come pick me up from this hotel. And I'm going to a card game. Because, you know, they said, girl, you want to go play Pity Pat? And I'm like, shh. Who won't go play Pity Pat? Yeah, your girl won't play Pity Pat. So I'm about to go and put my lashes on, put my little wig on, and I'll let y'all see when I'm done. I ain't about to put on. Oh, when I come back, I'm gonna show y'all what I purchased. Well, one thing that I purchased. I can't show you everything that I purchased, but I'll be right back after these messages. Hey, peeps. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm back. I tried to get myself together. Y'all excuse this little, you know, trying to lay this little lace down. This is a cute wig, y'all. Let me tell y'all, I didn't make this one. I purchased this one from a hair store back at home when I first got back at home. And I needed some wigs. I needed some hair. Yeah. I needed some hair. So that's what I purchased. Anyway, let's get back to it. Let me tell y'all, I purchased a lip gloss. I am so in love with this lip gloss, it doesn't even make any sense. I think that it is just awesome. It works pretty well. It stays on your lips for a long ass time. The color is amazing. I have not tried it with anything else because like I said, when I got it, my shipment came in and I left out that next morning. So I've been up here in Dallas for a minute and I have not played with makeup in a while. Only thing I could do is y'all is put on my little lashes, and I brought my lip gloss with me. because I was not leaving my lip gloss at home. My mom was trying to steal my stuff, and I gave her one. So anyway, I'm going to show y'all how this lip gloss actually looks on. I'm going to show y'all the color. I don't remember the color, y'all. I ain't lying. They don't have it on here. Okay. I thought it did. Maybe it do. Wait. Hold up. I think it fell off. Because I just put something in back in my purse. I'm going to look for it. Let me see. It was a little sticker. It did have it on here. Wait. My tail. Always doing something I ain't got no business. Let's see. What's the little sticker? Pecan poppin. That's the sticker. Let me see if I can stick this back on this little thing. I'm put it at the top. So, oops, that ain't work. It ain't work. Never mind. Okay, anyway. So, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is the lip gloss I've been talking about. If you guys have not gotten anything from the Crayon case, I'm going to promote her right now. Can y'all see that? Y'all see the color? Y'all see the color? You see the color? Let me back some. See the color? Yeah. Okay. This, I also purchased a setting powder as well. And I also purchased a whiteout for when I do my eyeshadows and stuff. I don't do makeup for YouTube. That's not what I'm talking about. But y'all, I'm gonna get into my Yanni's, my detox pearls, because that's something that I love to talk about. So you definitely will see more of me discussing the Yanni pearls, giving you advice on the Yanni pearls. I'm actually gonna do a cleanse. I have to come from Dallas though, you guys. I have to get home first, and so give me in about 2.5 weeks. I'm gonna vlog for a little while. Give y'all that trucker side. You know, I am a truck driver now. I am a jack of all trades. I don't discriminate against anything. If I feel that I could do it, I could do it, and that's just what it is. So I'm a truck driver now. I'm definitely going to be selling the Yanni pearls. I got in touch with someone today. As a matter of fact, she started the Yanni pearls. She actually went to Asia. So I feel very confident with the company that I'm going through to get my detox pearls. I'm gonna let y'all in on a whole bunch of information and a whole bunch of stuff. I just wanted to put that out there. Make sure you guys go to the Crayon case. Pecan Poppin is the name of this. I'm going to show you guys exactly how it looks on me as being a dark melanin poppin woman. I'm going to show you how this looks on me. But this is the bomb, like bomb.com. And go check out her stuff if you haven't. I mean, you won't regret it. That's all I'm gonna say. And as far as the setting powder, like I said, the setting powder, the white eye, is something that I purchased. I haven't purchased the brow pomade yet, which I am gonna purchase soon. And I don't do highlighters. I don't like highlighters, but hey, to each his own. She has over 30 colors for that. Make sure you guys get in anybody that loves makeup. If you love makeup, I mean, go give it a try. I haven't purchased a palette yet either. Like I said, I've been going a long time, y'all. So let's just get into it. I'm gonna put this on, show you guys how this looks on my lips. Let me see if I can untop it and hold this phone at the same time. Let's see if we could do some how you call that? What you call that, y'all? The multitasking. Man, y'all should have helped me out. Shit, got me doing that shit by myself. Y'all know, man, shoot. Let's see. All right. Let's go for it. Let's see. Now, I'm going to have to look up in this phone. I ain't going to be looking at my camera. I'm going to be looking at the phone so I can see what I'm doing. All right. Y'all see that? Child. Chop. I just like the way it feels. I'm sorry. I like the way it feels on my lips. And the brush is so smooth. Yeah. I'm going to need y'all to get into this. Let me see. I messed up a little bit. Okay, so this is pecan poppin from the Crayon case. It's a beautiful color. I mean, it's a gorgeous color. I'm gonna order some more. As a matter of fact, I told my little sister I was gonna order her some and send it to her, so I'm gonna do that. But y'all, get into that color. Y'all see that on my lip? Y'all see that? Look, let me see. Y'all see that on my lip? Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. Look at there it goes, y'all. Look at that. Okay. So anyway, this video is getting kind of lengthy. I love you guys. Love, peace, happiness, blessings all over the place. You understand me? And until next time, peeps, I miss y'all so much, but I'm back, okay? Love y'all. Mwah.